As a mother, I know that birthdays are very important for kids, and I always try to make it special for my son. In my opinion, one of the best gifts for a child is not a new fancy toy, but giving new experience through traveling. You ask why? Spending quality time together, discovering breathtaking places, doing crazy things, creating unforgettable memories, at the same time stimulating child's development. I recommend to organize a short trip, for example to a nearby city or any place with some cool kids attractions. Usually kids-friendly cities are great ideas for a birthday travel as there's always something interesting to do, regardless the weather conditions. We decided to go to Krakow in Poland, which is not far from Munich in Germany where we live. Here is my recipe for a memorable birthday for a child. Choose a kids-friendly city within your budget. Find a child-friendly hotel in a good location. Find local attractions suitable for your child's age. And very important, don't forget about the birthday cake. Krakow is the second largest city in Poland and it's one of the most popular and charming tourist destinations in Central and Eastern Europe. It's famous for its medieval character with beautiful historic main square, which is rated #1 top attraction in Poland according to TripAdvisor. It's also one of the most vegan-friendly cities in Poland. Hello travelers! We are a vegan family and we love traveling in style. There is me, Gosia, my husband Piotr, and our son Adam. We decided to stay in a 4-star Vienna house Andel's hotel because of its fantastic location. The hotel is situated in the center of Krakow, just next to the huge shopping mall Galeria Krakowska and to the main railway station. The hotel is very kids-friendly. After the check-in, Adam was surprised by the staff with a nice gift bag. There were coloring book, crayons and Hello Kitty stamps. Our superior room wasn't big, but it was very comfortable. Kids stay for free if you don't require an extra bed for them. On your request, the room can be equipped free of charge with a shower mat, a travel cot for toddlers, a toilet seat for children, a bathroom platform, dimmable lights, outlet protection, children's bedding, a bathtub and a bottle warmers. The hotel restaurant served breakfasts, lunches and dinners. There were some vegan options in the buffet, however the chef prepared additional vegan dishes specially for us. This place was also very kids-friendly. The restaurant provided feeding chairs and unbreakable colorful crockery. There was a kids' play zone inside the restaurant room with many toys, board games, Lego blocks, books and a drawing board. We were not very lucky with the weather, as it was raining all day, so we decided to spend time in indoor playgrounds. In Krakow there are about 30 indoor playgrounds and we decided to try 2 of them. First we went to Ampa. It's one of the largest and most modern indoor playgrounds in Krakow. Children have a lot of attractions there. 4-story play structure with many slides, trampoline, swings and merry-go-rounds, climbs and obstacle courses. There's also a baby zone created especially for smaller children equipped with mini slides straight into the pool with balls, safe climbing, cars, blocks and toys. The facility is suitable for every child up to 12 years of age. There's also a cafe where you may observe your kids having fun. Plant milk is available. Unfortunately, all cakes were non-vegan, but our son could try very special vegan mango ice cream called mini melts. That were small ice cream balls created by using cryogenic technology. Second playground that we visited was an interactive playroom which looked like a small city. This place is dedicated to kids aged 1 to 7. There are many small houses equipped with educational toys related to various professions and services of the city, such as a vet, doctor, hairdresser, post office, theater, fire department, or a market. All toys are made of high-quality materials, mainly wooden, and are perfect for children to play different roles. Role-play stimulates the imagination and encourages children to experiment and test many skills needed in real life. Children can also practice social skills while playing with other children. There were many educational toys. Thanks to them, children can deepen their knowledge or find answers to questions that trouble them. The playground was made with great attention to details. Even the toilet was adapted to the needs of small children. There was also a small, relaxing area where parents could have a coffee or tea and enjoy conversation with other parents.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
After this very active day, we had a birthday dinner in our hotel. A couple of weeks before, I had ordered a vegan birthday cake online in a vegan pastry shop called Strava Turlej Klopsa. The owner of this pastry shop speaks English, so you wouldn't have any communication problem. They offer a wide choice of different cakes, so everyone can find there something for themselves. I will speak more about this pastry shop in another video called 5 Vegan Facts You Probably Didn't Know About Krakow. What do you think about traveling for kids' birthday? Please share your thoughts in the comments below.